Hey guys, what is up? Today I'm doing a collab with Cootie High, and yeah, it's like a Garbage Pail Kids pack opening. Sorry about my coin. Flashback pack opening. So it's gonna be like who? Yeah, he's right here. So Henry, hurry up. We gotta get the speed up. So let's get opening the first pack. Sorry about that. We got a Flashback Dental. Amazing Grace Flashback, Drew Blood Flashback, Sculpt Ralph Flashback, Clark Shark Flashback, Frankie Flashback. I'm doing so good. Yicky Mickey Flashback, Deef Goff Flashback. Oh my God, Lucas Mookie's Flashback. Okay, Henry, I definitely. Okay. So all the packs that I do in this video, I'm not sure about Cootie Eye, but all the packs that I open are going to be given away. All you have to do is leave a comment. I'm really sorry if you don't have a YouTube channel or like Google account. I feel bad for you. I know how it feels, but yeah, sorry. So this pack will be given away. Oh yeah, and you have to subscribe and turn notifications on. Tell me that I turn notifications on in the comments. So Henry, you ready for the next pack? It's 1-0 me right now. Okay, let's get opening. Dead Floral, Screwed Saw, Diaper Dan Flashback, Drew Blood Flashback, Barbling Brook Flashback. There's a Pokemon. If you guys want that here, that will be right here. 3D Flashback, Leaky Lindsay Flashback, Sewer Sue Flashback, and Tommy Ache Flashback. So yeah, remember, all you have to do is comment, I subscribe, turn notifications on, and yeah. This pack will also be given away, this Pokemon set for you. Wait, I have 7 flashbacks too, so you win that round because you have 2 white border. So yeah, Henry wins. It's 1-1. This next pack will decide it. Yeah. Wait, Henry, can you tell me what these are? Oh, yeah, those are the back of the card. Sorry. Sorry, my camera just turned off. That was weird. Okay, yeah, that's the back of the card. Henry, you ready for the last pack? You're feeling lucky. Let's see. Half Nelson, just regular. Ultraviolet. Junk Food John. Bruised Lee. Early Bert. Peter Moulter. Vomeling Violet. Split Kit. Nasty Nick. Wow. Okay, Henry, I guess you win. Henry, did you get any flashbacks yet? Yeah, I'm done. Wait, let's see how many more flashbacks I have than you or you have than me. So, yeah, add up all your flashbacks too. I have 19 and a Pokemon. So 20. How many flashbacks do you have? Wait, how many are you at now? How many are you at now? Because I'm at 20. I'm at 20. I only have 20. And, guys, it looks like Henry will win today. Henry!